5 seconds to go. Start. I did not show the place to the IO at which the accused were standing with Haseen, on the other hand, I told to the IO that the accused were standing in the field of Yaqub with Haseen. Stop. The accused Jabir and Zakir were standing in the northern side of the field of Yaqub. Stop. Para. This statement renders PW4's testimony unreliable, because Yaqub's field was located at Narayanpur. Stop. PW4 was a resident of Akbarpur, if he went out to answer the call of nature, at 6 am or so in the morning, and returned home immediately, there is no explanation how he knew that the accused were standing at a specific spot, in another village, Narayanpur, with the deceased. Stop. Besides this glaring discrepancy, it is unnatural and improbable, that one as a neighbor of PW1 living 8 to 10 paces away would not be aware that the boy went missing on 8th October 1999. Stop. In fact, the improbability of the witness's ignorance of the fact that Haseen was missing is evident, if one considers the testimony of PW1 who deposed, para. Firstly, we searched him in the village, we also got made proclamation on the same day in the evening. Stop. Para. PW2 was the brother of PW1. Stop. Likewise, PW3 is also related, he is PW1's second cousin, and like him, similarly related to PW1. Stop. In his testimony, PW2 deposed he had seen the boy with Husn Jahan, the third accused. Stop. He also stated that the dead body was found at about 1 pm, and I told the Bisarat on that very day when the dead body of Haseen was found that perhaps Husn Jahan has kidnapped the child. Stop. Para. He further deposed to telling Bisarat at about 12 in the noon that he saw Husn Jahan taking Haseen in her house holding his hand. Stop. He again deposed that, para. I told this fact to Bisarat at the place where the dead body was found. Stop. I told this fact to Bisarat 2 to 4 minutes before the arrival of the police. Stop. When the police came near the dead body of Haseen, then I did not tell the police regarding the fact that I saw Husn Jahan taking Haseen holding his hand. Stop. I told to the police that I had suspicion that perhaps the child Haseen has been disappeared. Stop. I cannot tender any explanation if this fact is not written in my statement. Stop. Para. If these facts are true, there is no explanation why PW1 as well as other witnesses, such as PW2, and PW3 did not mention about the involvement of Husn Jahan, at least in the inquest proceedings. Stop. PW7, deposed that many family members of PW1, as well as he, were present during the inquest proceedings. Para. At the time when the inquest was being prepared, many persons of the village were collected there. Stop. At that time, the complainant of the case were also present. Stop. Para. PW7's testimony, about the presence of PW1 to PW5 during the inquest not only renders suspect the deposition of PW2, but also fatally weakens the testimony of PW5, who claims to have left the village, on 9th October 1999 and returned only on 12th October 1999. Stop.